Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on dark mode on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the TikTok app and tap on the Me icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Tap on the three dots button in the top right corner. Tap on dark mode from the options. Now tap dark. If you would like TikTok to match your phone's display and brightness settings so that it will switch between dark and light mode depending on what is selected on your phone's general settings, then turn the toggle on to the right of Use Device Settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.